Now, this is my first lecture and video regarding Vedic math, where I will show you how this old way of doing the calculation can help you to do complex calculations quite easily. My first few lectures would be regarding multiplication, and in this particular video, I'm going to talk about the uh, multiplication between two single digit numbers. Now, if you have a base, you can say the requisite to do this calculation is that you should have basic understanding of subtraction and addition. Another is that you should be aware of the tables till 5. So once these two equation are fulfilled, you can do any complex multiplication in the in in the Vedic math. Now today, as I this lecture is only about the two-digit numbers, two single-digit numbers. Say we want to do the multiplication 9 cross 8. It would go in a couple of steps how calculation is done, and it is being repeated for all type of numbers, either they are single digit, double digit, triple digit, and there are few exceptions which we will talk accordingly. Now, once you want to multiply two numbers, write down them in a vertical way. Once this is done, we have to try to find a base number. Base number is just 10 to the raised to power number, which is quite which is near to number we are multiplying. Like here we have number 9 and 8, so 10 would be the base number. Have they been the double digit number, then they must the base number would have been 100, and similarly triple digit number it would have been 1000. So once the base number has been determined, we have to subtract that base number from these values. Like 9 minus 10 would be minus 1, and 8 minus 10 would be minus 2. Once we had found this number, multiplied the number on the right side, it would result in 2. Now our problem is to find the number on the left side. For that you can use one out of these four ways to find that number. You can use 9 plus 8 minus 10. You can add these two numbers and subtract the base number, or from the base number you can subtract some of the number in the right side. Or what you can do, that you can do the cross subtraction, or is like that you can subtract 2 from 9 or 1 from 8. So this is cross subtraction, we are using this, and they would all result in the same number 7 as expected. So this 72 is your actual number of multiplication 9 cross 8. Now we have to say we have to multiply 9 cross 7. Now you can just write down them in vertical ways. Find out the base number, that would be 10. 9 minus 10 would be minus 1, and 7 minus 10 would be minus 3. Multiply these two numbers, it would be 3, and You can use any of these ways to find out the number on the left side. So if we say use 9 plus 7, 16 minus 10, it would be 6. 63 would be our answer. Little bit exceptions. Say I want to multiply 7 cross 6. Write down number 7 and 6 in a vertical way. Base number would be 10. 7 minus 3 would be minus 3. 6 minus 10 would be minus 4. Now when we multiply these numbers, they will actually result in 12. So you have to write 2 here and 1 here. Now we had to find the number on the left side. Use any of the four ways that are being described above. Say you use 7 plus 6 minus 10 is equal to 3. Now in this resulting number you had to add this value. This would be 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4. So 42 is our answer. So in this way you can do multiplication between the single digit number, and in next lecture I would be talking about the double digit numbers or mixture of double digit and single digit numbers. Thanks, and please give reviews regarding this particular video, and do subscribe. Thanks.